Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 17th of July, 2023. Despite mixed global cues, the market opened marginally higher and extended the gains as the day progressed, hitting fresh record levels. At close, the Sensex was up 529.03 points, or 0.8% at 66,589.93, and the Nifty was up 147 points, or 0.75% at 19,711.50. The biggest Nifty gainers of the day were SBI, Dr. Reddy Labs, and Wipro. The losers included ONGC, Hero MotoCorp, Tata Motors. Talking about the corporate segment, we have Larsen & Toubro has bagged large orders in the water and effluent treatment segment in the domestic market. The work order has been received from the State Water and Sanitation Mission, Uttar Pradesh, to construct a water supply scheme for the Hanumanganj multigroup of villages in the districts of Balaya and Firozad. The company did not disclose the order value. According to the company's project classification, large orders are in the range of 2,500 rupees crore to 5,000 rupees crore. Homegrown L&T is a $23 billion company engaged in engineering, procurement, and construction projects, high-tech manufacturing and services, and operated in over 50 countries worldwide. Vedanta Resources Limited, owned by Indian billionaire Anil Agarwal, said it's in an advanced stage of talks to regain control of a Zambian copper mining complex for years after it was seized by the government. Vedanta is alive to the fact that the talks have taken a little longer than initially anticipated. The dispute has resulted in a slump in production. Vedanta has pledged to invest $1 billion in the assets to double annual integrated production to 100,000 tons of copper, with the potential to boost to 200,000 tons in the medium term. Production troubles at Konkola have contributed to Zambia's falling copper output. The Finance Ministry sees national output of the metal falling to 682,431 tons this year from 763,550 tons in 2022. Patanjali Foods Limited on Saturday said that the shareholding of its promoters has come down to 73.82%, after the sale of their shares on July 13 to 14 to meet SEBI norms on public float. To meet the SEBI's minimum public shareholding norm of 25%, Patanjali Ayurved, one of the promoters, has sold 53,39,640 equity shares of Patanjali Foods through offer for sale route. The shares sold represented 7% of the total issued and paid-up equity share capital of the company. In a regulatory filing, Patanjali Foods said that the shareholding of the promoter and members of promoter group in the company has reduced from 80.82% of the paid-up equity share capital of the company to 73.82%. The utilities company has recorded consolidated profit at 290 rupees crore for quarter ending June financial year 2024, declining 48.3% year-on-year despite healthy operating performance, dented by higher finance cost and high base due to exceptional gain of 120 rupees crore in quarter 1, financial year 2023. Revenue from operations fell 3.25% year-on-year to 2,928 rupees crore during the quarter as incremental revenue from Mitra and renewable capacity additions was offset by lower realization in thermal assets on account of decline in coal prices. The DMart Stores operator has registered a 2.3% year-on-year growth in standalone profit at 690.54 rupees crore for quarter ended June financial year 2024, impacted by lower operating margin. Revenue for the quarter at 11,584.4 rupees crore grew sharply by 18.1% over a year-ago period. On the operating front, EBITDA rose 2.8% year-on-year to 1,036.5 rupees crore, but margin dropped 133 basis points to 8.94% compared to corresponding quarter of previous fiscal. Arahant Academy in daily time frame is trading around 113 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 76,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 99.8, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 65.13. For stocks to watch, we have HDFC Bank looks good on current market price of 1678. It can be bought at 1680 rupees, keeping target of 1760 rupees with stop loss of 1627. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.